Week 3, Shared Reading. How can shared reading help bilingual learners read and comprehend text? Most literacy classes include the 4 reading practices of balanced literacy. Number 1, rich interactive read alouds. Number 2, small group guided reading. 3, time for independent reading. And 4, shared reading. There are tweaks and modifications that need to be made to all these routines for bilingual learners. If you're interested to know more about general reading routines for bilingual learners, please consult other eCALLMS modules. Our focus in this module remains with supporting struggling bilingual readers through language-rich practices. So this week, we will look at shared reading closely. A little bit of background first. There are many practices which fit into the balanced literacy framework that give structure and variety to the reading routines in class. Partner reading, literacy circles, collaborative strategic reading, research investigations. These formats can all be very beneficial for bilingual learners. However, there's one format we do not recommend. That would be popcorn reading or round-robin reading. Popcorn reading is when a teacher randomly calls on students to read aloud a selection of text unrehearsed as others follow along. Popcorn reading turns reading into the task of pronouncing words rather than comprehending, which is a huge problem. It is also painfully boring to listen to non-fluent readers stumble over words, and it can be embarrassing for the reader as well. Please see the article on the harms of popcorn reading in the resource section if this topic is of interest to you. So, no to popcorn reading, but there is one type of reading routine that we recommend amplifying for struggling readers. That is shared reading. Other than in kindergarten or first grade classrooms, shared reading is often dropped from the literacy routine or given much less time than it deserves. Shared reading is a powerful and efficient practice to use with bilingual readers, so consider using it in a small group setting with your bilingual learners. Shared reading is an interactive experience. Students join in, repeating certain lines, and share the reading of a big book, enlarged text, or a text that has multiple copies. The teacher or experienced reader models reading the text with fluency and expression, and then students follow that cue. Why is it powerful for bilingual learners? Shared reading allows you to scaffold to higher level text because you can read a text that's beyond your independent level. It also models fluent reading and comprehension strategies. It helps learners internalize the structure of the English language, and it minimizes struggling readers' exposures. This week, we will experiment with 3 types of shared reading: choral reading, reader's theater, and lota lora. You may already engage with these types of shared reading, which is wonderful. This week will then be an opportunity for you to delve deeper into these practices and to observe closely the effects on your bilingual learners. Thank you.